Welcome back. This video is a special edition. I'm recording it 1.5 months after finished recording Module2 classes, and this is due to a very interesting email I received from a student that showed a chart of her mother to indicate very interesting phenomenon that the AC is not doing exactly 90 degrees to the MC. How can it be? We learned that the MC is the opener of the 10th house, and the first house, the AC is the opener of the first house. The AC ascendant is the most important place of the chart. This is why in Vedic astrology we will call the first house, the entire ascendant place, Lagna, that is reflecting the personality and defining where all the important points in the chart to be located. So I'm going to show you this example and bear with me what is happening. The person born in very near to the sun solstice, the longest day of the year, 1 month before, it's still spring, it's Gemini time, in 1946 in Romania, in Oradea. Okay, so what we are seeing here, that the 10th house is opened by, let's draw it here, the 10th house is opened by Pisces, but so weird because the AC, which is the most important place that is defining how the chart is located, that's why the time of birth is so important, because it's just telling us what was in the east. So we see indeed that the person born very early morning after the sunrise in 6, almost 7 in the morning, and indeed the sun was here in the 10th house, in the 12th house, because sun is rising from here, going to the mid sky, mid cielo, and then going to sunset here. Here is setting the sun. Okay, and here in the 6th house it's starting the night. Okay, so what is happening here is sort of a confusion. Why? Because in tropical astrology, that is different than how we are measuring houses in Vedic astrology. In Vedic astrology, we are measuring something like this. And this is here and here. This is the first house, this is the second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is the 10th. Okay, and here is the 12th. So it's always very symmetrical. What is happening in tropical astrology is different, as we can see that we can have situation that houses are bigger than other houses. You see, it's not symmetrical. The more we will be located, or the person is born near to the equatorial line, we will see more symmetrical houses. When we are more in the north, much up north, or very south, we will start to see this deviation of not equal houses. So the important thing that I want to bring here, the sun is rising and we spend longer time in the mid sky, but always the AC is the definer of where will be the MC, and not the dry law that what is opening the 10th house, that we know the entire 10th house is ruled by Saturn qualities. This is the career house. So for the sake of understanding by reading the chart, we always will need to look visually on the chart and to define what is 90 degrees from the AC, from Cancer. So 90 degrees from Cancer will be Gemini, three signs back, Gemini, Taurus, and Aries. So the MC that we should consider will be Aries, because the AC is the definer here. But somehow we will be vigilant to add some interpretation, if it will be a planet here, to what is happening in the 10th house. For example, the ruler of the 10th house, that is starting by Pisces, is Neptune and Jupiter. Jupiter in Vedic astrology is ruler of both Sagittarius and Pisces. So we will look on both of them, ruling the quality of the 10th house that is related to career and self-realization and success. The MC will be controlled by Mars. I know that it's confusing. It's even very advanced, but I need to give this scenario to be aware of. Mars, that is in the 3rd house, is in Leo, and the depositor of the MC that is actually opening of the 11th house. No doubt that this person is very influential and very potent to what I'm seeing here, with a very strong character. Most definitely, some system will consider that we will see AC trining the MC, but always the AC is 90 degrees to the MC. That's what I just wanted to bring here. This is exceptional chart. We still will read it like Pisces is the opener of the 10th house indeed, and it's ruled by those planets that are ruling this sign. But the MC is in Aries. So it's very interesting situation to consider. And I always open to your suggestion, question, if I need to add any class. Enjoy the rest of the classes. Be well.